If you are a real estate agent and you do come into contact with a property that's not in your wheelhouse, that may be a fixer-upper, that may have a seller that is in a situation that is something that you are unaccustomed to, EveryHouse is the perfect vehicle for you. Our in-house legal team is able to help you navigate any sort of legal situation that your seller might be facing. If the home needs a little bit of repair, our in-house general contractor can give you competitive rates so that your seller is not paying retail rates and is able to pay a rate that's a little bit less, which means more rehab for the house, a higher resale value, gives them more opportunities. Or if you're looking for someone that's in a position to where they need to move on from the property fast and you need to have a trusted partner to allow you to move on from the asset in a short amount of time, EveryHouse again is at your disposal. So if you're looking for a one-stop shop to help you with properties that are not properties that you encounter on a daily basis, EveryHouse is your solution.